The dense Philippine rain hums with life as Lara steps into its emerald embrace. Bioluminescent plants cast an eerie blue glow, painting shadows that seem to breathe. Her boots sink into damp moss, and the air thrums with a melody not of this world. Whispers, faint yet persistent, woven into the rustling leaves. She's here to document nature's wonders, but the forest has other stories to tell. Lara freezes as the whispers grow clearer, a language unlike any she's heard, lyrical yet unsettling. She turns, but the forest is empty. The villagers' warnings echo in her mind. No one stays after dark. As her fingers brush an ancient tree's bark, the whispers surge, as if the wood itself is speaking. The wind carries secrets, and the trees are eager to share. In a bamboo hut flickering with oil lamps, the village elder's voice trembles. 50 souls wander there, he says, drawing symbols in ash. They whisper to be remembered. His gnarled hands shake as he describes the forest as a bridge between worlds. Lara's skepticism wavers. The fear in his eyes is too real. The forest isn't just alive, it's haunted by voices pleading for peace. Back in the forest, Lara's recorder hums to life. The whispers flood the device, but playback chills her. The voices overlap, some human, some not. The waveforms spike wildly, defying explanation. Science has no label for this. The forest isn't just speaking, it's screaming across dimensions, and her equipment is catching fragments of a puzzle no one can solve. Dawn reveals an empty tent. Her guide, Mateo, is gone. Lara follows his footprints. They circle a massive tree before vanishing, as if he'd been lifted into the canopy. Rainwater fills the impressions, and a child's laughter ripples through the air. The forest doesn't just whisper, it takes, and it's not done yet. Villagers gather at the forest's edge, their chants rising like smoke. Petals float downstream as offerings, and for a moment the whispers hush. Shadows dance at the corner of Lara's vision, tall, slender figures joining the ritual unseen. The peace is fragile, the forest listens. But for how long? The linguist's email is brief. One word repeats Duyog, no known root or meaning. Lara stares at her notebook where hypotheses sprawl like spiderwebs. A moth lands on the page, its wings brushing the word. Duyog, a plea? A name? The key to 50 souls? The forest's voice grows louder in her mind, and she knows she's running out of time. The tree stands apart, its bark carved with 49 notches. Lara's breath catches. This is where the whispers converge. Hesitant, she presses her palm to the wood. The 50th mark. The bioluminescence flares, painting her skin blue. Silence falls. The forest exhales. For the first time, the voices are quiet. But are they satisfied or waiting? Mateo stumbles into camp at dawn, his clothes damp with dew. He remembers nothing, only fragments of dreams filled with singing. His eyes are hollow, as if part of him stayed behind. Lara doesn't ask where he's been. Some questions have answers too terrible to speak aloud. The forest gives, but it also takes. Back in the city, Lara's recordings play only static until she visits another forest. Then a faint hum emerges, a ghost of the whispers. The trees here sway without wind. Her screen flickers. Duyog? The question lingers. The 50 souls aren't confined to one place. They're everywhere, and they're still whispering.